Hello guys, welcome to IT Cyber Cafe. So today guys, I'll be showing you how to calculate APS and then subject requirement at VUT, which is Value University of Technology. So first thing you're gonna do guys, let me zoom the screen so that you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, you can see they have written subjects, see, and then after down there they have written NSC endorsement, which is National Senior Certificate, and then compulsory subject. Compulsory subject guys, it simply means without any of these compulsory subject you can qualify for the course simply. So yeah, we got compulsory subject, which is English level 4, maths level 4, physics level 4, and then LO maximum level 3. Any other 3 subjects, they must make 9 point. So, and then the total is 24. And then they have written diploma endorsement required an APS of 24, which is a minimum. In this course guys, the minimum requirement is 24. Okay guys, let me show you how to calculate the APS then. Now you see the 124 APS, right? So what you're gonna do guys, first you must make sure first that you have the compulsory subject, obviously. So let's say on English you must have level 4, maths you must have a level 4, and together they make 8, and then physics you must have level 4, together they make 12, and then life orientation maximum of 3. And then remember, in this course guys, life orientation is included, because in some they can exclude it, but then in this one is included. So yeah, it's gonna be 3 4 4 4, and then it's 12 plus 3 is 15. And then in the other 3 subject, remember at school normally you are doing 7 subject, right? And then already I have counted 4 subject, which is English level 4, maths level 4, physics level 4, life orientation 3, and together they make 15. And then on the remaining 3 subject guys, you can take like level 3, all the 3 subjects, and then they make 9, and then you qualify. Or in, let's say in 2 subjects, maybe you take, in one subject you take level 5, and then other subject you take level 4, then the third subject you take level 1. So still you are qualifying. So as long as the remaining 3 subjects guys, they can make 9 point, and then you are safe. So yeah, this is how to calculate the APS guys. So what you do, you just take your samples, you add them, and then they give you the total number, and then the total number is the APS, you see. But then if you must be aware guys, because compulsory subjects are very much important. So now guys, I'm gonna be focusing diploma in fishing. So when it comes to diploma in fishing guys, in diploma in fishing, first you check at top they have written subject, right? And then after in subject they have written NSCA endorsement, and then after they have written compulsory subject, and then they have listed compulsory subject, which is English level 4, mathematics or maths literacy. When you are heavy mathematics, it's compulsory to have level 2. And then when you are doing math literacy, it's compulsory to have level 3. And then when you are doing technical maths, still level 3. And then any other 4 subjects, they should make 15 point. This is how guys you calculate the APS. And then in this course, the APS they want, when you are having pure maths, they want APS of 21. And then when you are having maths literacy or technical maths, they want APS of 22. And then as I have showed you guys, to calculate APS is the same procedure. You add all your subject level, you add them, and then they give you the number, and then that number is your APS. But then be aware, guys, because some of the courses they can say like exclude LO. It means you don't count LO. But then if they are not saying exclude LO or something, it means you can still add it, and then it count your APS. So I'm gonna rush to the no, guys, I'm just gonna rush there and then there, because obviously I can't do all the courses. So yeah, let me just take you to Bachelor of Communication Studies. So here, guys, you see the subject, National Senior Endorsement, the one metric, obviously. Then yeah, and then compulsory subject, we got English with level 5, we got additional language with level 4, we got math literacy with level 4, we got mathematics with level 3. Remember, guys, some they did math literacy, some they did mathematics. So the difference between mathematics and math literacy is that math literacy they want level 4, and then mathematics they want level 3. After is LO level 4, and then any other two subject total 8. So in other subject, guys, it's not compulsory to take maybe 4 both subject. You can either take 5 in one subject, 3 in other subject, as long as they make 8 at the end. Or the other one you take level 6, the other one you take level 2, as long at the end of the day they make 8 points. So when you are going to calculate your APS, we are going to say, now I'm just showing you when we are using math literacy, right? We are going to say 5 plus 4 plus 4, and then you leave that 3 of mathematics, then or plus 4, then or plus 8 for any two subject, and then it's gonna give you a total of 25. And then when you are having pure maths, you're gonna add 5 for English, you add 4 for additional language, you skip that 4 for math literacy, you add 3 for mathematics, you add 4 for life orientation, and then you add 8 for any two subject, and then it's gonna give you 24. That's your APS, guys. So when it comes to calculating APS, guys, it's simple. You just have to add your subject levels, and then they give you a total number. That total number is your APS, and then you check the course you want to apply for, how many APS they want. If maybe like you add your certificate, maybe you are having 25, and then obviously you're gonna apply for courses that they want 24, 5, but you can apply for course that want 26 when you're having 25 APS. And then other things, guys, compulsory subject are very, very, very much important, because on the compulsory subject, example, now let's check a BED, senior phase, and AFT teaching. We see we got subject compulsory. First, we got language of teaching and learning level 4, other recognized language level 4, mathematics or mathematics literacy. When you are having mathematics level 4, and then mathematical literacy level 6, life orientation 3, physics or technical science 3, in other with minimum score of 11. So yeah, these are the requirements, guys. So if maybe you don't have any of these requirements, then it simply means you don't qualify. Like you can have 30 APS, but then, for example, now they want physics, physical science or technical science, and then only to find out that you all have the subject beside physical science or technical science. So it simply means you don't meet the subject requirement. Because when we are applying, guys, there are two important things you must be aware of. First, you must be aware of the APS for that course you are applying for. Secondly, you must be aware of the subject requirement, compulsory subject. Because if they say now they want level 4 in English, and then you come with level 3, simply means you don't meet the subject requirements. So you must just like don't apply for the course. But then if maybe they want level 4 in English, and then you have 5 or 6 or 7, then your chances are high, then you can highly apply. So yeah, so that's why most of the people are having problem, because with some we check the APS, and then we forget the compulsory subject, because you have to make sure that the compulsory subject are fine. You check them, and then you meet them, and then you check the APS, you meet the APS, and then now you can apply for the course and then hope for the better outcome. So then now I'll be doing the last one, which is Department of Human Resource, subject Human Resource Management. And then here, guys, they want National Senior Certificate or NCV level 4. And then on the matric certificate, guys, they want diploma or degree, but then diploma is a minimum. So if you are having high certificate, you can apply for this course. And then we got compulsory subject, we got English level 4. Remember, you can't be down with level 3 when they want level 4, so it has to be level 4 or up. And then mathematics, they want level 3, so also it has to be level 3 or up. Then maths literacy, they want level 4, also it has to be level 4 or up. And then technical maths, they want 3, also it has to be 3 or up. One other subject, they want 4, but then they are not being specific which subject. So it means like any of your subject you can take level 4, and then the remaining 3 subjects, they have to reach 9 point, which is you can take level 3 all the 3 subjects, or you can take level 5 3 2. Then still, as long as when you are adding the 3 subjects they reach the minimum of 9, then you are safe. So yeah, guys, that's how to calculate the APS. So it doesn't mean that, guys, if you are seeing mathematics and mathematical literacy and technical maths in one row, you should have all these things. No, you can just have one of them and then that's it. But then when they're talking about English should be English. So yeah, so here, guys, I'm gonna show you example using a real metric statement. So here, guys, I'm gonna calculate the APS for you. So what you're gonna do, guys, here, you're gonna add that 4, you add it with 3, it be 7, you add with that 5, it be 12, you add with that 4 is 16, you add with that 3 is 19, you add with that 3 is 22, you add with that 5 is 27. So yeah, here, guys, the APS are 27, and then it means you can apply for a course that require 27 downwards, not 28, but then 27, 26, 25, 24, 20. You can apply for those. And then if maybe they are saying exclude life orientation, you see now, guys, the APS, it was 27. So if they are saying exclude life orientation, what I'm gonna do in that 27, I'm gonna minus the level of life orientation, which is level 4. So in 27, I'm gonna minus 4, and then I'm gonna be left with 23. So after then, it means I can apply for courses that require 23, 22, 21, 20 going down, but I can apply for courses that require 24. So yeah, guys, that's the difference in calculating the APS. Sometimes they can say exclude life orientation, but then if they're not saying anything about excluding life orientation, then you don't exclude it. But then if they are saying specific that okay, exclude it, then you exclude it. So yeah, guys, I hope you find this video useful. You subscribe and let me in the comment know whether I should continue uploading more videos on showing how to calculate APS and then subject requirement, or should I host live stream for you guys where you're gonna be able to ask questions while in the live and then I answer, or so on. Or if the videos are enough for the guidance, then let me know in the inbox, then we'll take it from there.